Hello, welcome to our ISOM 358 final project. Our final project is designed for International Education Peace Volunteers. This organization is focused on creating diverse communities near higher education institutions. This is done through promoting intercultural learning opportunities and through a collaborative environment. Now, the primary way that this organization does this is through their one-on-one conversation events. These events happen weekly, and what happens here is that participants are assigned a conversation partner to learn more about and to interact with during the meeting. Now, currently, this system is done manually through the owner, Ben. Now, since Ben's organization is growing in popularity and size, Ben would like a system to automatically match these candidates. What's happening currently is that Ben has to remember the specific details of everyone involved, which can reach over 100 people, and then he has to assign them manually to each other. However, if he could have a process that automates this, it would make his life much more easy. So just to re-summarize the problem, Ben wants to match these participants one-on-one while respecting unique cultural, linguistic, and interpersonal constraints. What this means is we don't want students who are the same year. We don't want people who are both new to this organization matched to each other. We want as different of people as possible. Further, we want a process that is efficient, scalable, and easy to use for non-technical staff. So what this first looks like is that we had designed a sign-in form. This is the first part of the user interface. What happens here is Ben can send out this form to all the participants involved for this day, and then they can simply fill out their information here. This is designed to take less than 30 seconds. Now, once this process is completed, all of that data is automatically populated in this Excel. From here, we have sorted this data that is automatically populated in Excel into a binary code. What this binary code is, it allows us to run VBA, which is Microsoft's coding software, and allows us to automatically match these people. So as you can see here, for the first time column, we converted whether or not this is their first time. A 1 would be a yes and a 0 would be a no. This same logic applies to their nationality. In this case, there are more variables, so there are more columns here. And then further, we did this for student status. Again, a 1 indicates a yes, a 0 indicates a no. Now, once all that is filled out, which is done automatically, the user of this tool simply goes to the user interface as you see here. Their first step is to update the data, which they do, and the Excel lets them know that this successfully happened. Then all they have to do is press this yellow button to create the matching pairs, and then a confirmation message pops up dictating how many pairs were created. Finally, they just click the green button to format and clean up the data and to go to the sheet where this is. So as you can see here, that person 1 and person 2 are both clear, and there are also details about whether or not someone is a compatible match. To recap, what's happening here is that we are automatically populating the Excel with the data from the Microsoft form, as you can see in the center. Then the user, all they have to do is press these 3 buttons to get their desired matching. What this does, it will reduce the amount of time it takes to match people dramatically, and it will allow a simple and easy way to view the results. Thank you for watching.